Welcome, Class 10 students. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of acids, bases, and salts. This is part 4 of our series, focusing on the pH scale and importance of pH. Have you ever wondered how scientists measure the strength of an acid or a base? It's not just about taste or feel. There's a precise way to do it, and it's called the pH scale. So how do we measure how strong an acid or base is? Is there a universal tool for this? To answer that, we use the pH scale. The pH scale is a numerical scale that ranges from 0 to 14. It tells us how acidic or basic a substance is. Let's break down what these numbers mean. The pH scale is like a ruler for acidity and alkalinity. Each number on the scale represents a 10-fold difference in the concentration of hydrogen ions. Observe the pH scale with its vibrant color transitions. It goes from deep red at the acidic end, through yellow and green in the middle, to deep purple at the basic end. If a substance has a pH less than 7, it means it is acidic. The lower the number, the stronger the acid. Conversely, if a substance has a pH greater than 7, it means it is basic, also known as alkaline. The higher the number, the stronger the base. And what about a pH of exactly 7? A pH of exactly 7 means the substance is neutral. Pure water is a perfect example of a neutral substance. It's important to understand that pH not only tells us if something is an acid or a base, but also how strong or weak it is. Stronger acids have lower pH values, meaning they are closer to 0 on the scale. Think of strong acids like hydrochloric acid, which has a pH of around 1. On the other hand, stronger bases have higher pH values, meaning they are closer to 14. An example is sodium hydroxide, a strong base with a pH of about 14. Now, let's explore why understanding pH is so important in our daily lives. It affects everything from our bodies to the environment around us. Our digestive system relies on precise pH levels. For instance, our stomach has highly acidic gastric juices with a pH of about 1.5 to 3.5 to help digest food. The pH of soil is crucial for plant growth. Different plants thrive at different soil pH levels. Farmers often test soil pH to ensure optimal conditions for their crops. Acid rain is another example of pH's importance. When rainwater has a pH lower than 5.6 due to air pollution, it becomes acid rain, harming forests and aquatic life. Even our teeth are affected by pH. When the pH in our mouth drops below 5.5, tooth enamel begins to corrode, leading to tooth decay. This is why toothpaste is often basic. So there you have it. The pH scale is a simple yet powerful tool that helps us understand the nature of acids and bases and their profound impact on various aspects of our lives. We've learned that pH is a measure of acidity or alkalinity, ranging from 0 to 14. A pH less than 7 is acidic, greater than 7 is basic, and exactly 7 is neutral. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and you'll master these concepts in no time. For more such lessons and exam preparation tips, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you for watching.